Hi, hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about what are the expressions and what is the data type and why it is required nowadays to determine and what type of data is stored in any variable that now we are going to see in Python. Let's get into this session. In Python, we have so many expressions like numeric expressions, constant expressions, string constants. So many are there. But in this one, in this session, we are going to see about numeric expressions. Numeric expressions like that are plus, minus, multiplication, division, and moduli, order and precedence. This expression is going to valid if and only if it based upon the order and precedence. Now let's see what is order and precedence. Order is nothing much which goes to highest order. That means that which is going to be executed in the first. Precedence means what are the precedent from where to where it has to be executed. That and all we are going to see in this session. Let's see. Here one expression is there. X is equals to 1 plus 2 power 3 in divided by 4 into 5. Here this expression is going to execute such a way that based on this table like this parentheses. If parentheses is there, it is going to be execute first, then power, then division, then multiplication, then addition. After that it is going to valid from left to right. This is going to valid in left to right. Now let's see here. Here 1 plus 2 power 3. Here double star indicates power, single star indicates multiplication, right? That. Okay, next 1 plus 2 power 3 divided by 4 into 5. Here parenthesis is not there. So first is going to valid execute power function 1 plus 2 into 2 power 3 is going to 8 divided by 4 into 5. Next, it is going to valid division. So, 1 plus 8 by 4 is 2, 2 into 5, 1 plus 2 into 5, 10, 11. It is going to valid in this way. Later on, we are going to execute this part in online compiler, then see result. Let's wait for that. Next, going to see about data types. Data types in Python is very most essential. Python always knows that type of data we no need to specify or no need to include the type of data in Python especially. It is automatically that libraries itself identify that whether we are going to writing which type of data. Python always knows that we cannot add a number to string. It means that 1 plus our name like SVRPTech, if you are going to execute this one, print this one, then it is going to give left and right. It means that it gives an error. Let's see, if you are writing A is equals to 10, type of A, then the output is going to be int. Why? Because the value 10 is assigned to A and the value of A of type integer. So if you want to know about the what type of data we are giving as an input, then simply write a type function to that inside parentheses that variable. Then that is going to see tells to us what type of data you are stored in that particular variable. Next I'm going to take another input as test is equals to string, right? That we are going to include within double quotes. So hello plus there. Print test, then hello there. It is going to show the output. And if you want to know the type of test, it is going to see type of test is. Now let's see the execution part of the expressions and data type. Now I am going to create a variable called 1 plus 2 power 3 divided by 4 into 5. If I am going to run this one, then oh, it is missing here syntax word. Okay. Then if you're going to run, then if I want to print the value of x, then print x, then the value is going to return as 11.0. Okay, right? Next, we are going to execute about data types. Now I am creating a variable called q is equals to 10. Then if I want to know the type of q, then I am simply writing type q. Then it is going to execute type q is int. Now similarly now I am going to write is equals to hello plus world, including double quotes, hello world. If I am going to print this one, print e, it is going to give hello world. If I want to know the type of e, then it is going to give string. Correct, right? Next, if you want to wish to add one string with one number, what will happen? Let's see. Correct, right? Cannot or can only concatenate string to string, not integers. This is all about today's session. If you have any doubts, please comment us below and